I mean, you can just clean it off with blue towel too, that'll work. You lost the most important thing of all though. We're not doing my beer. Go on, Monkey.
You want me to just spray some brake cleaner on the towel?
Yeah, spray some brake cleaner on the towel and wipe it off. Yeah, in case you couldn't guess, we're working on the Lexus again, finally, because somebody wouldn't leave me alone. That dude over there. But I gotta have motivation somehow. So he's gonna change the water pump. I've kind of finished cleaning off the block, and I'm gonna randomly spray it down with some high temp paint and just see what it looks like. And hopefully we get the water pump back on today, and we get the timing belt on, all that buttoned up, and then we can start figuring out where everything actually goes. So we'll come back in a minute and just see what the heck we have going on. So when you're doing stuff on a budget, you happen to have high temp engine enamel that's in black, and you clean the block and you paint it. Got 2 coats on there right now. We got a little bit of overspray, but I'm just passing the time while somebody works in this nightmare of a toolbox I've got while he attempts to put a water pump together.
That's too good.
We'll see how that goes. Yeah, we'll let you know when it's on. But yeah, progress, and maybe if we're motivated enough, plugs, coil packs, and get the timing belt back on. Checked all the seals, nothing's actually leaking, so be our luck when we actually put it in the car and start it, we'll end up pulling the front end apart. Alright, so what did we accomplish today? The water pump's on, and so is the timing belt. Don't freak out, everything's a little bit off as far as the marks go, right? You can see. But I have rotated it more than twice. Made sure both sets of marks lined up. And then we went ahead and got the plugs and the new plugs, but the coil packs put back on. Put the motor mounts on both sides. And then I gotta figure out where all the other random stuff goes before we start putting covers and crap back on to get it back in the car. So good progress for about an hour and a half, but now I've got to move everything because my garage is a mess and I have a trailer full of Girl Scout cookies and some dude over there looking at anime stuff he shouldn't be looking at. So that's it for today. I don't know if we'll do it tomorrow, but the goal is every weekend do something so we can finally get this car running by the end of spring. Later.